Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Simply Guitar where your subscription lives. Once logged in, go straight to Account or Profile to verify whether you're on a monthly, yearly, or trial plan. This matters for refunds and cancellation deadlines. Make sure you can see the payment method and the original order date because you may need those details when confirming charges. If you're using Apple or Google billing, note that next step will differ. Make sure to check which store handled the payment. Once done, head to Settings and tap Subscriptions or Manage Plan to view active subscriptions. If your payment was processed by Apple or Google, open the App Store or Play Store subscriptions page instead and locate Simply Guitar there. That's the authoritative place to cancel. Select Cancel Subscription or turn off Auto-Renew and follow the confirmation prompts. Be deliberate. When you confirm, the app will usually stop renewal but keep access until the period ends, so double-check the end date shown. Finish by confirming cancellation. Look for an in-app notice and a confirmation email or take a screenshot for your records. Make sure the access end date matches expectations, and if you believe you're eligible for a refund, request it promptly with order details. If cancellation didn't take or charges persist, contact Simply Guitar support. Supply your account email, payment method, order date, and the screenshot. If billed through Apple or Google, also contact their support. This resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.